Welcome to your adorable dream lake home nestled at beautiful Oologah Lake, just minutes from Redbud Marina. Perfect for boating, fishing, and sunset strolls. Located at 9705 East Redbud Street, Claremore, Oklahoma. This stunning 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home has been completely updated from top to bottom and is move-in ready. Featuring an open floor plan, this property is ideal for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings of lakeside living. Bedrooms with walk-in closets and gorgeous windows are generously sized. Primary suite downstairs with back deck access. Updated bathroom with walk-in shower and a large separate walk-in closet. Leisure and a spacious layout with tons of natural light and modern finishes throughout. Entertain in the remodeled kitchen and sleek butcher block countertops, all new appliances, large walk-in pantry with new sliding barn door, and abundant cabinet space for all your storage needs. Think of the rental opportunities for the split floor plan with large guest room downstairs and additional full updated bathroom downstairs. Upstairs is an adorable loft-style bedroom with lots of space, including a walk-in closet, storage, and it has its own private deck perfect for guests, office area, or a cozy retreat. Look at the gorgeous hardwood back deck overlooking a serene backyard setting, full of mature trees, and within walking distance of the water's edge. There is also a large 2-car garage, plus extra parking space for your boat or RV. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a full-time residence, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and outdoor adventure. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of paradise at Oolagah Lake. It's move-in ready and waiting for you. To inquire about incentives on this home or see it for yourself, call 530-852-1512.